Number one way to get more views for your TikTok videos is watch time, okay? And the more people that stay to the very end of your video, the better your video is going to be, okay? This is why the single best thing to do with TikTok is to keep your videos short. This is a big mistake I made for a very long time. 10 seconds, 15, 18, no more than 20 seconds. Just cut out any fluff, get your point across, and be out, okay? Because you want them to watch the entire video. That's the main thing, okay? And also keep your videos very basic and simple, okay? This platform is for simple stuff, not complex things people will check out mentally. They just do better. They just really do, okay? And so the beginning of your TikTok video, this includes your title, and actually titles might just be 50% of the success of your TikTok video. Is that's your hook. That's your promise. It's almost like a promise, right? And if your hook is strong enough, then people are going to continue to watch to see if you deliver on that. And if your hook's not strong enough, they're out. They're checking out very quickly. They're on to some other video, and you lost them, okay? So you want that hook to be strong enough. And then there's that build-up phase, okay? And then there's you deliver on that hook, that promise. And if they feel like you did not deliver on that hook, they're out too, and that's going to hurt your views on TikTok. Okay, so you have to deliver on that, and then at the very end is your call to action. What do you want that viewer to do? Do you want them to click the link in your bio? You want them to follow for more, leave a comment, share it, whatever it is your call to action. Okay, and if you want a call to action on your videos, that way you're using these platforms and you're not being used by them. Do you think that's true? Sometimes I think about that. Like we're just getting used by these platforms that are making money off of us. So it's something I don't know. Is that true? I think about that. So you wanna use, not be used, right? So that's one way you could do that. Is you want some type of call of action in your videos, okay? And all right. So one trick or tip that some people are doing in their videos is they're explaining something super quick, like very fast, and people are like, what the heck? And they'll watch the video again to see what the hell that person just did. So that's one thing that some people are doing out there to get people to watch the video again, like a tip or a trick. Another really cool tip, which I need to do more, is show the outcome of the video to begin with. You start with the outcome, and they're like, huh, then there's the build up, and then they, so you start with the outcome first. That's the strong hook, okay? That's a cool little trick. And yeah, and also questions. Questions are great, in your comments and your TikTok, ask a question, get some engagement. Engagement can help your videos get viewed. Respond to comments, try to get comments. And trolls and haters are amazing. I love haters and trolls. Yeah, because they help your videos rank, So as long as you don't take it personally, which I try not to. Believe me, I've been on YouTube for an insanely long time. I've had some funny ass comments. They're great, okay? I love them. And all right. And lastly, create more videos. The more videos you create, the more you're going to kind of learn what's working, learn what's not working. So there's a learning curve. So you have to get out there, and take your lumps and bruises. And that's really the main thing. And you'll adapt to these platforms. You'll get better at them as long as you don't quit. And I hope this video might have been at least a little bit helpful. If you want more tips, I actually created a complete guide to how to dominate with short video. This includes TikTok, this includes YouTube Shorts, Instagram. There's 50 tips in this guide, and you can get it for completely free. All you have to do is click on the link somewhere in this video here, or it should be in the description as well. You can click on it, and I'm sure you'll get a lot of value from that guide. And well, I hope this might have been helpful, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.